Next thing, students, that we want to understand is how many types of polynomials actually are there. Types of polynomials based on their degree. There are many. There are many. But of our interest in class 9 are actually three. The first one, the polynomial with degree 1. Polynomial in one variable with degree 1. It is called as linear polynomial. It is called as linear polynomial. Right? Now what we mean by the degree 1? The power of the variable must be 1 only. For example, if I say 3x minus 4. So here the power or the degree of x is 1. I call this as linear. Now why I am calling it linear? Because if I put up various values for x is a variable having changing values. If I put up x as 1, x as 2, x as 3, find the value of the polynomial and plot its graph, it will be a straight line. If suppose I take this as px and I draw a graph between px and x for different values of x, for different values of x, it will be a straight line. Suppose I take up, I will tell you, suppose I take up px on y-axis and x on x-axis. The graph will come out to be a something like this straight line. And this tells me that this polynomial is a linear polynomial. It is linear because its graph comes to be a straight line. The second kind of polynomial that we have based on the degree is the polynomial with highest degree of 2, and it is called as quadratic polynomial. It is called as quadratic polynomial. Right? For example, if I take up 5x square minus 3x plus 7, it is a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic means degree 2. Quadratic means degree 2. Now why we are again calling it quadratic? Because if I draw a graph between px and x, first of all it will be a curved graph, and it intersects x-axis in maximum 2 points. If it intersects x-axis, it will intersect maximum in 2 points. It will intersect x-axis in maximum to maximum 2 points. It may intersect in less than 2 points. It may not intersect at any point at all. But if it intersects, it will intersect in maximum 2 points, not more than that. The third kind of polynomial based on degree is actually the polynomial, of course, you guessed it right, with degree 3. And it is called as cubic polynomial. It is called as cubic polynomial. For example, if we have x cube minus 4x square plus 7x minus 1. So it is a cubic polynomial. We may represent px, polynomial in x, is x cube minus 4x square plus 7x minus 1. So why it is cubic? Because the degree of the variable is 3. And of course, if I draw a graph of it between px and x, what I will see that this graph will intersect the x-axis in maximum 3 points. So here we have a general rule. The graph of any polynomial in one variable intersects x-axis in maximum to maximum points which are lesser than or equal to its degree. Which are lesser than or equal to its degree. Any polynomial of any degree, if we are drawing its graph, the graph of this polynomial, it should be in one variable, will intersect the x-axis, which is the axis of independent variable, in maximum to maximum points. The number of these points will always be lesser than or equal to the degree of the polynomial. The degree of the polynomial is 3. The graph will intersect in maximum 3 points, not more than that. The graph will intersect in maximum 3 points, not more than that. It may intersect in 2 points, it may intersect in 1 point, it may not intersect in any point at all. But the maximum number of points in which it will intersect will be 3.